What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Franklin, and thank you for joining me here today. I'm drinking coffee, not because it says it right there, but what's up though? What's up, guys? So this is I'm gonna be posting a series of videos. I'm trying to use this so that it can keep me going, and then I can also measure how I'm developing through the process. And I'm trying to be a self-taught blockchain Ethereum blockchain engineer. So I'm teaching myself, and according to shout out to Eat the Blocks on YouTube. You can go check him out. Um, he actually gives kind of like a blueprint that you could use if you want to go into uh sorry if you want to go into blockchain development, blockchain engineering, Ethereum blockchain engineering. And he suggested that you start with web development. You do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then I think React. After React, then you go to Solidity, and then improve yourself from there. I have a couple of places that I'm doing all these things. I've already started with some of the courses on React, on this website, W3 Schools. And as you can see, there are some points. You can see there are some points that I've earned over here. If I go down, you will see that I'm already done with HTML. Okay, and then I was going into Python because I was studying. I studied Scratch. I don't know if you guys ever know the software called Scratch, but I studied Scratch, and then I wanted to advance my knowledge in Python, but Python is not so much in relation to the Ethereum blockchain as much as web development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are. So I'm focusing on that part, and so far this is what I've done on CSS. This is it. This website is actually free to learn. You can also take their paid courses and get the certificate. I'm taking the free courses for now because hey, El Chipo. I'm not paying anything. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, I've studied 25 out of the 126 pages on this CSS tutorial. So I think I'm done with the box model. Yeah, I remember the box model is when the margin and yeah, I remember all those things. But this is it. I feel like it is gonna be difficult for me to keep all these things in my head. You know, it's gonna be difficult. So I'm gonna try as much as I can to. This website is gonna be like my playbook, my guidebook. That if I'm building a website and I need knowledge, I need to reference something, I will definitely come to this site. This site is gonna be what I'm gonna do. So today being the 17th of May, sorry, 2021. Let me see. I think I'm done with the box model. Yeah, the margin, the border, the pattern, and the content. I think I'm done with that. Yeah. Let me see. Let's see the exercises. Yep. I'm done with the exercise, so that means I'm done with that. So we're going to CSS outline. This video, I'm gonna be posting these videos, just the raw videos. I'm not gonna do any much of editing. So please do like and subscribe, okay? Yeah, but let me see. So CSS outline. So an outline is a line drawn outside the border elements. Okay, so this element has a black border and a green outline with a width of 10. So let's see. So if you said try yourself, you click on try yourself. Okay, and then okay, so this is the code for the border. The margin is set to auto. The pattern is set to 20 pixels. Text align is center. So the border is 2 pixels solid black, yeah, and then the outline is green. That's the I've forgotten what this one is. But this is I've forgotten the exact code this one represents. But I mean the kind of color code this one represents. I think there's the RGB, and there are different ways to use the color. Like I said, some of these stuff I have to go back and I also took a couple of breaks from this because I have a gaming streaming platform that I stream on. So yeah, if you like watching people play games too, I have another YouTube channel. It's FS Gaming, FSGAMN, FSGAMN. Go and subscribe to that too. And I stream on Omelette Arcade instead of Twitch, and I was on Facebook, but I moved from there. Anyway, back to this. So let's say if I want to change the solid of this one to 20, check out what the green will do. See, the green got bigger, so the outline got bigger in this case. So now we know how to change the outline. CSS outline. So CSS. Oh, so we are still going through the box model. So the content, the border, and then the outline. So the border is the space between the content and the outline. So an outline is a line that is drawn around elements outside the border to make the elements stand out. Okay, so if we actually want something to stand out in or on a website, that is the code we are going to use. So it says CSS has the following outline properties. So outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offsets, and then outline itself. Okay, so I think all of those things will be explained here. But like I said, I'm going to be doing these videos pretty much. I'll try and do pretty much every day. So I'm gonna post all the raw content, no edits. Yeah, so note, outline differs from borders. Unlike borders, the outline is drawn outside the element's border and may overlap other content. Also, the outline is not part of the element's dimension. The element's total width and height is not affected by the width of the outline. This is it. There are some texts you might read. This is what I usually do. If I read some text, I understand this, but there are certain things I would have to code, have the experience in the code, and then know that, oh, this is what it would do if it this is how it will affect my code, So I'll keep this one there, and next time I need to use an outline feature, I'll definitely come across this, and then I'll see how it is gonna affect my code. So the CSS outline style. Oh, the outline style. Which one was this? Oh, okay. That is how the outline should be. Oh, okay. So we have the outline property specifies the style of the outline and can have one of the following values. Okay. So we have the dotted, the dash, the solid. It's the same as the border, but I don't know. I've not seen groove. Groove, ridge, insert, outset, none, and then hidden. Okay. I think we'll definitely be using all these things, and then okay, they have examples below. So that's the dotted, that's the dashed, that's the solid, the double, the groove outline, a ridge outline, or the groove outline going in, a ridge outline like popping out, insert outline. Oh, okay, so that's when you I told you we have to try the code before I can figure out. So this one says it's like when you put a mouse on something and it highlights that, yeah, you're supposed to text here or something. I get it. And then outsets, it's like bulging up from one part. Yeah, I dig it now. See, if you don't see the examples, this is what I love about this website. You see the examples and then you can you can just figure out, oh yeah. Also make sure you learn how it is, the pattern, how it is put in there. Don't forget the semicolons and the all right, let's go down. So you see, easy peasy. I've finished the introduction of CSS outline. I have an idea of how the outline works, When you go down, you get to a point where you do exercises to test your knowledge. At the end of the whole thing, I will take the test as well, then post the video. Wait, hold on, there's one more. I need to read this. It said no, none of the other outline properties which you will learn more about. Okay. Will have any effect unless the outline style property is set. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah, so I'll figure out what this means in the next chapter. Definitely said I'll figure out what the effect of this in the next chapter. So we'll see what it will do. So once you are done, I don't know if you saw this, add like a +1 point to it. That's where the points come from, and then you go to next. So check out the next video on CSS outline width. I'm learning. I'm learning from here. From CSS, I'll be going to JavaScript, and then I think I'll be doing this one is, I don't know, is this the React? There should be I think they have React here. The language programming language React. Should be. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna try as much as I can to learn most of these. As much time that I have, I'm gonna learn most of these pandas, and yeah, and I'm gonna be posting the video. So please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys very much for watching to the end, and take care.